race day. We got Phil and his magnificent Fiesta on the trailer, and Katie, Snack Master.
Sorry,
Well, you are too. It's okay. On the way to Crystal Motor Speedway, do some wintertime shenanigans. The rally car. Are you excited?
Snowbank Love 2021.
Snowbank Love 21, baby. It's gonna be a good day. Little horse and buggy action. Made it. We are very far away from the main paddock.
Over with the stuck Fiesta.
Yeah, because it was very full. There's another guy in a Fiesta over there that's stuck. Probably help him at some point. We'll unload this Fiesta and drive it over to the tech line. This is way over on the other side of the track. Yup. Good. Monster truck riding. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, there's no heat in this car, so that's gonna be fun. No problem, eh?
So move.
Yep.
Alright. Should we go help that guy?
Yeah, we should probably go help that guy. Ooh.
You're good. Your car neutral?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
He's digging in now. Get in there and back up. Tow the Chevy with the Jeep, tow the Fiesta. It's almost there. Keep going.
Josh, run. Josh, you're going to have to rock back. You're digging.
Uh-oh. This ain't good. Uh-oh. There it is. He's out.
That definitely pulled it. Whoa, Josh, where the heck are you going?
Hey, he's good. He's good.
What the heck?
Oh boy. Let's look at this hole. He was in the deep, man. He dug himself real deep. It was up to the control arms. Oh boy. What a start to the day. Eventful. All teched in, ready to go. Signed up. I'm driving first. I'm 32. So we covered up the one. So that gentleman just got here. He was the last guy to show up. He was late. Very nice escort. Very nice. That's the guy that teched us in. He's a cool guy. This Mazda's pretty rad. Got an Audi over there, front wheel drive Lancer. Subaru CRX, that's cool. Old Escort, apparently that guy's pretty fast, I think. MR2, Fox Body Mustang, a Vibe, a couple of Miatas, some good boys. Hello, good boy. Oh, you're pretty. Hi, buddy. Oh. You got your Fox body. Oh, wow. How's it going? Bunch's car is looking a little rough, man. Mr. Feb2ary. I respect it though. It's a horse. Old champion Subaru. There's a bunch of cool cars on grid right now. Hopefully we'll get a look at those later. There's a Talon. A couple Talons. BMW wagon. You know, your Outbacks. Lots of Subarus. Lexus with an M plate. Yeah, it's gonna be rough out there. Probably make for some good video though. My camera's hitting the roll cage. Details. Not good. Here we go, eh? Around turn one. It's got grip under braking, that's for sure. Oh, lots of grip right here. That's not good. I did faster than Phil.
Yep, he was 95, 11.
That is a riot,
faster.
dude. What's that?
It did feel faster on the straightaway.
I was giving her.
I think he was nervous that it was dying.
Dude, she's running great.
Alright, awesome. Good, bud.
Yeah.
Gonna be a minute thing until you hit the line.
Oh man, it wasn't me, was it?
I don't know. Somebody just got something hanging.
Ah.
They know, I don't know.
Alright,
Something, but.
yeah.
Oh, look at him. You're 32.
Yeah. So that was my first, that was the parade, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And now it's my first run.
Doing this?
What's that?
Is this your first time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. You have fun?
Oh yeah, that was a great rip. First time around.
Yeah, you came on a good day.
This thing's got a lot more grip than I thought it would.
Yeah, I've seen this car up quite a bit.
Yeah.
They're all set up for racing.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, it's a lot more fun when we got snow like this. But then again, we have a lot of delays, so
Right.
people get stuck.
Yeah. I'm smacking my head on the roll cage.
Oh man.
When we hit those bumps, I'm up in the.
So it's getting pretty bumpy.
Oh yeah, it's really rough out there.
Yep.
And my camera here is hitting the roll cage over here. I'm not gonna be able to use this. It's gonna be too rough. I think it's looking out at the bars anyway.
Yeah.
I got it on wide angle. We'll fill as this one. Is that one on?
That one's been on, yep.
Oh, sweet.
It's been on since we
Well, at least have that.
Yep.
Right on. Let's go.
Alright, well, have fun. Be careful.
Okay, thanks.
As he goes.
Felt good?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I feel good. I hope this video is worth the shit. The one with the helmet cam.
It'll be funny.
I mean, yeah. Bang, bang.
Nice. Now she's not straight.
Yep. Might be making a little too much sauce. That's rough, man. 86.
Nice! That was wicked. Were you saying it was too much what?
Too much sauce.
Sauce!
Too saucy, man.
It was saucy. The back end was real slipping, like.
Nice, man.
Dude, it's fucking ripping.
Ripping?
It's ripping and gripping, dude.
Hell yeah, bud. Go get him.
Did I hit it?
I don't think so. Yes,
There we go.
yes.
That's how you do it. Uh-oh. Hey, we're good. That's getting really bad at the end. 85.
85%.
I fucked up a few different spots, but that's the break. I meant for the clutch.
Yeah, the course is changing quick. I feel like it's not as slick as when he went.
It's definitely not as slick.
Hey, don't turn it up.
Okay. Dude, it's running so good.
Nice.
Oh my fucking god. It's absolutely ripping. Good?
Yep.
Alright. That was so sick.
That was really fun.
Oh shit.
I mean, your grade lap was 95. Woo.
Aren't those bumps at the end fucking gnarly?
Yeah.
They're getting gnarlier.
Yeah.
Because if I remember the first time we went through, I was like, damn, that sucks. And the second time, I fucking...
It felt like the car bottomed out.
It definitely did.
That
My
wasn't
heart's
fast,
pounding.
but holy hell, that was fun.
Dude, that was so much fun.
I was e-braking it like
Yeah,
nonstop.
your tail, you were just like,
Yeah.
whoosh.
This is just for funsies now. We're here to drift. Fuck racing.
I've never drifted like that.
Fuck racing. We're just here to drift.
Oh, that's fun.
That was so awesome.
My heart's
I know, mine is too. Yeah. How was that guy?
We were those guys the first one, though. What do you want us to tell?
Can you open the here? Let's open the hatch and pull from the cage.
Okay,
Open the hatch.
Unfortunately, no.
Alright, so wrap it around the cage.
Yeah, if you can. Ah,
That was fun.
until we.
It's like I felt like you were
They were just.
drifting more than usual, and then the drift just kept going.
And sorry, the hatch will try to hit you in the face.
I got you.
I'll put the grab you in there as soon as it's tow from the cage.
Oh, tow from the cage?
Hey, if you can, yeah.
Down here should be alright.
Yeah, that'll do. Oh, there's two people getting towed out at the same time.
You're not alone.
Yay!
That's the Miata, right?
Yeah.
He just flew through the finish as we were starting. Oh my god, it looked like he was above the ground. Like you probably did get airborne. Oh, this photographer, when you went around one of the back turn, you sprayed snow up at him. So bad.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Sorry I was dumb. But it was fun.
What's that?
Said sorry I was dumb, but thank you. I was having a lot of fun though.
So was I.
You know. Oh damn! 80! 80.7, babe!
Alright,
Damn!
maybe I'll suck her.
Woo! You got some speed on that last one. Okay. Isn't that what Wyatt got to, or did he get 83.7?
I don't know.
I think he got 80. I think he.
You want me to go? Well, there's a lot of grip out. It's not the same course anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, is that on? Yeah.
It's not coming off.
I haven't turned on the GoPro out here.
Oh, what? You should have done that.
I knew this one was
Is
on.
this one still on?
Yeah.
Okay, because the one I had on my helmet died after I got out of the car.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I'm definitely blasting my head on the roll cage.
Yeah, that happens.
Yeah.
That's what the helmet's for.
Yeah, exactly. Like, especially over that giant ass fucking bump at the end.
Right at the end, yeah.
I'm going
The
boom!
key is if you hit it fast enough, you can just go right over it.
Yeah, maybe I should try that.
It felt better on that last one.
Yeah. Oh, he's fucking buried, dude. Oh no, he's out.
Oh, Dan Hutchinson got stuck also.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh!
The irony, dude, the irony.
Always two people getting pulled out at once. You can't do it alone. It's always two.
2 to 3.
Oh my goodness.
The tow master has been towed.
Oh wow. They should get the Mustang to pull him out.
Yeah. Yes.
That's embarrassing.
Go find the guy with the Mustang. I can't see.
All right, I'll tell you. You're good. You got 5 feet. He's backing up. Backing up.
Oh, he's backing up too. We're good.
You're good.
Oh, poor dude.
What do you say?
He was just saying thank you, and he's like, fucking the wind.
I like the problem, no problem sticker.
Yeah.
I got another 3 seconds on.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's a lot. You can use more throttle now.
Yeah, on this back one, if you stay to the inside of the cones, there's a lot of grip on that sweeper back there.
Yeah.